Hello, welcome to Time for Lego and Brick Build, and today I'll give you a quick preview of my Lego safe, where to open it you bang, or maybe just shake, and after a good shake or bang you'll get this box. But to open the actual safe you'll need to take the secret piece out and pop a key inside, which will reveal soon. Yeah. And the inside's hollow to store your stuff. Same with the actual casing. And you just have to do reverse order to put it back in. Slide this piece in, put the secret bit back, and just slide this bad boy back in. And you don't have to make the key. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. Bye!